the point of petrol. I drop these lyrics for my people in the ghetto. I kick the flavor from night to morning. Just like an alkaline, I keep going strong. Another angle just to keep flexing. This is like a drill, yo, but I'm testing my unusual styles of rap. Then I fix it, a rhyme from the beginning to the middle, within a flash. You, but you living kinda foul, so yo, pack your bag, kid, you got to go to the drawing board, cause I ain't going for the whack stuff. You best to slack up before I bring the Mac up and lick shots like that Jamaican kid they call Ross. I guess much props from my block to your block, and with the super duper lyrics that I create, it's too late for any discussions or debate. And start breaking, yo, it's forsaken to think that I can be taken, cause I'm your highness, the rap finest, you can't deny this. Dig a little deeper, yo, I'm sure that you will find this style of mine as a dope speech. I'm intellectual, now I have to teach, supporting my territory. I call props, and all the faded perpetrators, they're getting knocked. Just get involved with the rhythm, the rhymes I give them full with impact. Your brother, listen, there's no stopping this style like the apocalypse. It's 97, yo, check the way I'm dropping this. You must be joking, kid, yeah, I'm maybe smoking.